everyone, welcome to How to Crypto. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install Metamask on your Google Chrome. You can easily add an extension to Google Chrome for Metamask if you follow the simple steps. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to download Metamask app for your PC, then it's pretty easy to do so. Go and open up any web browser of your choice. Metamask supports browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. I'm gonna open up my Google Chrome web browser. You'll need to go ahead and add an extension on your web browser. In the search box, type in Chrome Web Store and press enter. From the search results, click on this Chrome Web Store link, or you can also type in chrome.google.com and you'll be redirected to Chrome Web Store right away. In the search box at the top left hand, type in Metamask and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search results. Click it on, and on the next page, click on Add to Chrome right next to the application. Now, add the extension by clicking on Add Extension button in the pop-up at the top. Wait for a few seconds, and Metamask extension has been added to your Chrome web browser. Click on Get Started. If you already have a secret recovery phrase, you can click on the Import Wallet and import one of your existing wallet. If you don't have one, you can create a new wallet by clicking on Create a Wallet at the right-hand side. Now, finally, after you're done logging in, click All Done, and that is how you'll be able to install Metamask on Google Chrome. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.